My name is Joseph Sharron, and I love helping other people out. Because of my injury, it's in theory limited some of the things that I can do physically, but I still have a voice and I still have the passion. A spinal cord doctor in Utah, he built something called a tetra ski. You're sitting in a chair much like your wheelchair, and you've got skis underneath you, and you've got a joystick much like we do for our wheelchair. He's also got a sip and puff for people who can't operate a wheelchair. And you can steer the skis to be able to go down the mountain. And you've got a instructor behind you that's trained, and really all they have is a tether just to make sure you don't crash into the woods or get going too fast, but you're steering the ski.
Hey, Riley.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
It's such an exhilarating feeling to know that you can actually do something on your own without just being in the chair all day, and you have control over that. They only have like 3 or 4 in the entire country. It's a pretty amazing device that he built.